Okay, we got a maple log. It's a branch off of that tree right there. Came down in one of the storms in January here, or was it December? So I think this end is like 15, this end was like 19. This is only a 23-inch cut. 23-inch this way, and I think up and down is like 19. So we just were able to cut this top section off, and now we're going to make a couple cuts and see what we get. We're gonna roll this, and then I gotta go to my brother's for a bit. Hopefully get back before it rains and finish cutting this, but if not, then it's not. Alright, which I might have to go to the PV anyways. This is gonna be relatively big. what we got. It looks like we got like 11 by 11 by 11. There's 11 by 11. So what are we thinking? Alright, looking at this a bit more, I think what we're going to do is make this side my final 2-inch. Alright, so this is going to be the final 2-inch. I'm going to flip it 90, which should give us like 6 inches of good stuff. And we'll cut from the top here down. Alright, I think I'm going to start with at least a 2-inch or a couple 2 inches off the top. Because it's not the best of wood all the way through, but I can definitely use a 2-inch piece for trail armor. Trail armoring. So that's what I'm doing now. I'll cut some good planks off the next section. Okay, let's have a look. Getting close to lunchtime. I gotta go skating. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, but looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4 1-inch boards, which are, let's have a ruler and see. Hang on. Yeah, so these are 11-inch wide by 1-inch planks. Let's see how long they are. Does it work? One-handed. and they're a little over 5 foot. These are 2-inch. I think we got maybe 4 of those. Those are for armoring on the trail. 2-inch is good just to lay down and put dirt and mulch on top of it, or wood chips. This works out well. And we got a couple of pieces over here, which I think we're going to make a couple of flats out of for armoring the trail also. So there's a big log, but it did take a while. I used that blade quite a bit. I might have to put a new blade on before I do the next log. I'm starting to feel some raindrops, so we're going to clean this up quickly and cover it, because once the rain comes it makes a mess of everything. So that's what I'm going to do next. I put a couple boards aside that weren't like full nice boards, and I made 1x1 stickers. We're going to try 1x1 stickers. You can kind of see how it's getting wavy. I think I need to replace that saw blade. Okay. I swept that off. Just got to rake out the sawdust, close it up because it's sprinkling now. It's not drizzling.